Why airplanes must be washed as frequently as every 7 days. Grime, dirt, salt, and other contaminants can quickly build up on the exterior and interior of airplanes, affecting their appearance, performance, and maintenance needs. While you might think an occasional fly-through of a rain shower would suffice, the reality is that both civilian and military aircraft require frequent washing, from every 2 weeks on aircraft carriers to quarterly for commercial jets. Beyond the obvious aesthetic benefits, frequent washing provides fuel savings, extends paint life, eases visual inspections, and prevents corrosion. For example, a clean Boeing 737 can achieve up to 2% better fuel economy, saving an airline over $200,000 yearly in fuel, assuming typical utilization rates. Contaminants on an aircraft surface also disrupt airflow and increase drag. Washing helps maintain smooth airflow. Additionally, a clean surface makes it easier to visually inspect aircraft parts for any cracks or damage during routine maintenance. Finally, washing prevents salt, dirt, and grime buildup, which causes corrosion and shortens the lifespan of components. For military aircraft, corrosion prevention is the top reason for frequent washing given their operation in salty marine environments. Whether it's human crews scrambling onto scissor lifts or robots like the Nordic Dino brooming their way across a fuselage, keeping these high-flying machines looking and performing their best requires plenty of good old-fashioned scrubbing.